Welcome. In front of me I have HUAWEI P SMART 2021 NFC, and today we are going to make the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how fast it works and if it is reliable. So let's start. Let's make the first try. Well, as you can see, it works immediately. I put finger and the smartphone is just unlocked. It reminds me the HUAWEI P40 Lite. It looks like the speed is the same. And as you can see, it works a third time also. And I'll show you also the last funny thing. So on my hand I have my private smartphone. Here I have the Asus Zenfone 7 Pro, and just check it out how it looks. It even worse. It just work worse than P SMART. Take a look. It's slowly and it's not reliable. Like, you have to put your finger for a few times until you unlock the phone. And take a look on the P SMART. It's amazing. It's a very cheap smartphone, and here we have very good and very nice fingerprint sensor. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.